Hello everyone, this is Kadir. Today I am going to talk about information architecture. I spoke about information architecture in last video. You may watch the video to learn again. So information architecture is to organize, structure and label the content the way user understand, effectively, efficiently complete the tasks. Don Brown, designer and author who is seasoned information architect, has laid out 8 principles as a foundation for approaching IA. Now I am going to explain with samples how we can implement in our design. The principle of objects treat content as a living, breathing thing with a life cycle, behaviors and attributes. We should categorize and structure the content consistently and internal structure should be recognizable, such as the different types of ingredients in a recipe and a discrete set of behaviors, such as how recipes can have variations or can become more or less important. Principle of choices. Create pages that offer meaningful choices to users, keeping the range of choices available focused on a particular task. Example, property website offers various types of properties. You may buy or sell or rent a house. So again, we need to careful on providing too many choices. The more options means more cognitive effort, and more effort can sometimes mean more anxiety. Principle of disclosure. So only enough information to help people understand what kinds of information they will find as they dig deeper. The progressive disclosure is a common design concept that guides provide minimum information in first level, then user can drill down to the data based on the need. In matrimony websites, list as user profiles with minimum information and a feature. If user wants more information, they can drill down to view more. Then principle of exemplars. Describe the content of categories by showing examples of the contents. Then principle of front doors. Assume at least half of the website's visitors will come through some page other than the home page. The large sites find that most of their traffic comes through a side door, not the home page. These direct links are the power of search. How I use it. A destination page has to help user understand what else they can find on the site. Principle of multiple classification. Offer users several different classification schemes to browse the site content. Good information architecture acknowledges that people have different ways of looking for information. Even narrow audiences reference a diversity of motivations and mental models, how we imagine information space. A classification scheme attempts to provide simple ways for finding information across the range. So example, BBC News categories news under different categories. Principle of focused navigation. Don't mix apples and oranges in your navigation scheme. Where it comes from. Lot of design teams use phrases like a global navigation or right rail or left menu bar to refer to a menu that let users browse content. But to do so with its location on the page, where a menu appears should not constitute the definition. Then principle of growth. Assume the content you have today is a small fraction of the content you will have tomorrow. We will know where it comes from. The web today has more content than it did last year until the year before. Designing a structure that can accommodate twice as much content as it can today is like a building an armory with a twice as many drawers. The digital storage of information comes with a limitless space, but the presentation of and access to the information must conform on some levels with the limitation imposed by physical space. It can add more content to existing categories or more categories under your topic. So it can add different types of content to existing categories like videos in a topic that's been dominated by text. It can create a new categories, a brand new topic. So when you create information architecture, keep in mind future of growth. I hope you all learned about information architecture principles. Please subscribe my channel here for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching my channel. I will see you in next video.